The 2024 Honda CB650R E-Clutch marks a significant leap forward in the middleweight motorcycle segment. Combining cutting-edge technology with classic Honda performance, this bike is designed for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts seeking a thrilling yet manageable ride. Let's delve into the design, performance, and specifications that make the 2024 Honda CB650R E-Clutch a standout in its class. The design of the 2024 CB650R E-Clutch is a seamless blend of retro and modern elements, embodying Honda's neo-sports cafe aesthetic. The bike features a minimalist, muscular look with a round LED headlight, sculpted fuel tank, and exposed frame. The bronze accents on the engine and front fork add a touch of sophistication, while the compact, aggressive stance gives it a sporty demeanor. The integration of the E-Clutch system into the bike's design is subtle, maintaining the clean lines and overall aesthetic appeal. At the heart of the 2024 CB650R E-Clutch lies a 649 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers robust power and smooth performance. The addition of the E-Clutch system, a first in this segment, allows for clutchless shifting, providing a seamless and effortless riding experience. This technology is particularly beneficial in urban settings and during long rides, reducing rider fatigue and enhancing overall control. The engine produces an impressive 93 horsepower at 12,000 RPM and 47 lb-ft of torque at 8,500 RPM, ensuring plenty of grunt across the rev range. The power delivery is linear and predictable, making it suitable for both spirited rides and daily commutes. The 2024 Honda CB650R E-Clutch boasts a top speed of approximately 135 miles per hour, showcasing its capability as a true performer in the middleweight category. Despite its powerful engine, the bike offers commendable fuel efficiency, with an estimated 45 mpg. This balance of speed and efficiency makes the CB650R E-Clutch a versatile choice for various riding scenarios. The 2024 Honda CB650R E-Clutch is a marvel of modern engineering, packed with features that significantly enhance both safety and convenience. At the forefront is the innovative E-Clutch system, which allows for seamless gear changes without manual clutch operation. This provides a smoother and more intuitive riding experience, particularly beneficial for urban commuting and long-distance journeys. Complementing this is the advanced electronic suite, featuring a full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS. These technologies ensure a high level of rider assistance, enhancing safety and providing a customizable riding experience. In addition to its electronic advancements, the CB650R E-Clutch excels in suspension and braking performance. The Showa separate function forks and a preload adjustable rear shock offer superior handling and ride comfort, making it adept at navigating various road conditions. Dual front disc brakes with radial-mounted calipers deliver strong, reliable stopping power, further ensuring rider safety. Full LED lighting improves visibility, contributing to both safety and the bike's modern aesthetic. Ergonomically, the CB650R E-Clutch is designed with a comfortable seat height of 31.9 inches and a slightly forward-leaning riding position, striking a perfect balance between sporty feel and all-day comfort. The 2024 Honda CB650R E-Clutch is priced competitively in the middleweight segment, with an MSRP starting at $9,299. This pricing positions it as an attractive option for riders looking for advanced technology and performance without breaking the bank.